Everyone, this is Ramakrishna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will going to discuss abstract algebra questions from AP set. So first, we will discuss problems based on binary operations. Okay. So here we have problems on binary operations. These questions are important in the AP set examination point of view. So first, we recall the definition of a binary operation. So let us see the definition. Let S be a non-empty set and S cross S be the set of all ordered pair of elements of S. That is, S cross S is equal to set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to S and B belongs to S. This is a Cartesian product of two sets. A mapping F from S cross S to S is called a binary operation on S. Binary operation nothing but it is a mapping from S cross S to S. Okay, and we have important note points. Let S be a finite set with n elements. That means S is a set consisting n elements. Then the number of elements in S cross S is n square. The number of elements in S cross S is n square. And any binary operation S is simply a mapping of S cross S into S. That is an element of S to the power S cross S. Okay. Therefore, there are exactly n to the power n square binary operations on S, and this is a set with containing n elements. Okay, there are exactly n to the power n square binary operations on a set capital S with n elements. Is it clear? So next we have an important result. Result is the number of commutative binary operations on a set with n elements is equal to n to the power n square plus n by 2. This is the formula. The number of commutative binary operations on a set with n elements is given by n to the power n square plus n by 2. Okay. Now, by using these results, we can solve the problems based on binary operations. So let us see the problem. Determine the number of non-commutative binary operations on a 5-element set. Here, S is a set consisting 5 elements. Okay, we have to find the number of non-commutative binary operations. Okay, let us see the solution. Let S be a set with 5 elements. That is, S be a 5-element set. Therefore, the total number of binary operations on S is given by 5 to the power 5 square, because if S is a set with n elements, then there are exactly n to the power n square binary operations on S, means it containing commutative binary operations as well as non-commutative binary operations. But it is a total number of binary operations on a set with n elements. And here n is equal to 5. Therefore, the total number of binary operations on S is 5 to the power 5 square. That is nothing but 5 to the power 25. Okay. And we know that the number of commutative binary operations on S is given by n to the power n square plus n by 2. That is 5 to the power 5 square plus 5 whole by 2. On simplification, this is equal to 5 to the power 15. Here 5 to the power 15 nothing but number of commutative binary operations. Okay, but in the question it is asked that determine the number of non-commutative binary operations. We know the total number of binary operations and we know the number of commutative binary operations on a set with 5 elements. So here we can find the number of non-commutative binary operations are given as the total number of binary operations minus the number of commutative binary operations. That is nothing but 5 to the power 25. This is nothing but the total number of binary operations on set with 5 elements minus 5 to the power 15. This is nothing but the number of the number of commutative binary operations on a set with 5 elements. On simplification, we get this is equal to 5 to the power 15 into 5 to the power 10 minus 1. So this is the number of non-commutative binary operations on a set with 5 elements. Is it clear? Okay, so next we will discuss AP Set 2019 Abstract Algebra question number 29. Here the question is, if the number of non-commutative binary operations that can be defined on a set capital A with 10 elements is 10 to the power p into 10 to the power q minus 1, then pq by 25 is equal to dash. Here we have to find the value of pq by 25. So here given that the number of non-commutative binary operations that can be defined on a set with 10 elements, here n is equal to 10, is given by 10 to the power p into 10 to the power q minus 1. Then we have to find the value of pq by 25. And the four options are option number 1, 9, option number 2, 11, option number 3, 99, option number 4, 81. And here the correct option is 99, means the option is third one is correct. So we'll see the solution in detail. The total number of binary operations on A is given by n to the power n square. That is, here n is equal to 10. So we have 10 to the power 10 square, which is equal to 10 power 100. And the total number of commutative binary operations on a set capital A is equal to 10 to the power 10 square plus 10 by 2. Nothing but n to the power n square plus n by 2. Okay, here n is equal to 10. On simplification, we get this is equal to 10 to the power 55. Now, the number of non-commutative binary operations on capital A is given by the total number of binary operations minus the number of commutative binary operations. That is nothing but 10 to the power 100 minus 10 to the power 55. And this is equal to, in the hypothesis, it is given that this value is equal to 10 to the power p into 10 to the power q minus 1. So it is must be equal to 10 to the power 100 minus 10 to the power 55. So on simplification, we get left hand side value as 10 to the power p plus q minus 10 power p is equal to right hand side value 10 to the power 100 minus 10 to the power 55. Now comparing the powers on both sides, we get p plus q is equal to 100 and p is equal to 55. We have to find the value of pq by 25. First, we have to find the value of q and value of p. So here we have p is equal to 55. And from this, we get q value because p plus q is equal to 100. So we get q is equal to 100 minus 55. That implies q is equal to 45. Therefore, pq by 25 is equal to, substituting the values of p and q, we get value as 99. So our option number 3 is correct. Is it clear? I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe.